Hi, I'm Hardy Spence with Ash Industries. I hope you'll come by and see us at the upcoming Design-to-Part trade show. Design-to-Part shows are fantastic with all sorts of capability in American manufacturing, but I hope you'll take the time to come by and see Ash Industries because we have the answers that are going to lower your part costs, improve delivery, or solve a complicated problem that you may have. We manufacture a wider variety of materials in a greater number of configurations than anybody in this part of the United States. This machine in particular is a large 600-ton machine. The beauty of it is that we have the option of shooting up to 250 square inches of thermoplastic in one shot. 10 pounds of material. We are the expert in helping you determine not only the physical configuration of your part, but also the type of tooling you might need, the material you might need. Every day we overmold, insert mold, two-shot mold. In fact, we can help you combine processes. Furthermore, Ash Industries will pad print, hot stamp, screen print, epoxy bond, sonic weld, and combine any number of processes to give you an ideal component.